Lucky for someone and unlucky for someone. Number 13. Yes, it is true, हम numbers में अपना luck ढूंढते हैं और कभी कभी किसी number को unlucky भी मान लेते हैं. If you see cricketers और footballers, किसी का bat lucky है तो किसी का jersey. क्या ये सिर्फ हमारी intuition है या इसमें actual में कुछ सच होता है या science है? चलिए पता करते हैं आज celebrity numerologist से मिस साक्षी दुग्गल कुंड्रिया. क्या नंबर्स लकी है या फेवरेबल हैं? जिन व्यूअर्स ने क्वेश्चंस भेजे हैं वो अपने आंसर्स का प्लीज इंतजार करिए. सो साक्षी, थैंक यू फॉर जॉइनिंग अस. डायरेक्टली एक्चुअली पूछती हूँ कि लकी अनलकी होता क्या है? क्या अपनी फेवरेट शर्ट हम पहनने से कुछ लकी हो जाते हैं या ट्यूसडे को रेड पहनने से लकी होते हैं? अपनी गाड़ी से लेकर फोन नंबर्स चूज करने पे लकी हो जाते हैं. सो हाउ डू यू डिसाइड? प्लीज ये बताएं.
Thank you so much for having me. So today we are going to discuss about what is lucky and unlucky. Luck is not exactly the word I would like to use. The word is favorable and unfavorable. जैसे कि हम जानते हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इस टाइम पैंडमिक का टाइम चल रहा है. वी ऑल आर अवेयर ऑफ अ वेरी एक्सट्रीम सिचुएशन. हम सब उस दौर से गुजर रहे हैं कि हमें पता है कि वी कैन बी अटैक्ड anyhow, you know. For example, it is a negative situation, but हर इंसान का टेक, हर इंसान की अप्रोच के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है कि वो चीज इस सिचुएशन को कैसे ले रहा है. सो हम नेगेटिविटी और पॉजिटिविटी में बिलीव करते हैं. आप हो सकता है मास्क लगा के जा रहे हैं, कोई फेस शील्ड लगा के जा रहा है, कोई पीपीई किट पहन के जा रहा है. सो हम सब अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट कर रहे हैं अपने लेवल्स पे, अवेयरिंग और बीइंग aware of the situation that pandemic is in the air. There is negativity around. So lucky and unlucky, favorable and unfavorable, all these things shiny हमें decide करती हैं कि हमारे numbers में हम अपने आप को कैसे positivity दे सकते हैं और उस negativity से कैसे अपने आप को बचा सकते हैं. So yes, when it comes to favorite things, फेवरेबल थिंग्स, हम लक के साथ अपनी लाइफ को एसोसिएट करते हैं. हम सुपरस्टिशियस बन जाते हैं कि यार ये 30 नंबर अनलकी है, सब कुछ ही नेगेटिव होता है इस दिन, मेरा सैटर्न भारी है, मेरे शनिवार को मेरे कॉम्प्लेक्स सारे काम बिगड़ जाते हैं. हम एक चीज़ों की रूटीन को अपनी लाइफ को में उसको कहते हैं ना, ढाल लेते हैं कि नहीं जी मेरे साथ एक बार ये एपिसोड हो गया तो दोबारा होता रहेगा. बट believe you me, it's a science. Some planets, some numbers are compatible with certain things and some are not. एक फैमिली में 2 बच्चे होते हैं, पेरेंट्स होते हैं, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि सबके लिए ब्लैक कलर बैड है या सबके लिए नंबर 3 बैड है या सबके लिए सैटरडे हैवी है. ऐसा नहीं होता, क्योंकि हम सबकी डेस्टिनी, हम सबकी डेट ऑफ बर्थ, हम सबकी नाम अलग होते हैं, तो उससे हमें वाइब्रेशंस मिलती हैं. सो आइए हम आज डिस्कस करते हैं हाउ एंड व्हाट ऑल इज लाइक लकी और फेवरेबल डेज फॉर यू, favorable month for you, favorable color for you, favorable dates for you, so that we can know us a little better. And yes, I would also like to say, let's not get into any superstition. It is science. It creates a lot of aura. It creates a lot of vibrations. And our aim is to create positivity. बेसिक एजेंडा है कहीं ना कहीं से हमें एक रास्ता मिलना चाहिए, नेगेटिविटी दूर रहे और हम पॉजिटिविटी को अडैप्ट करके अपने एम्स और गोल्स को अचीव करें.
एग्रीड. सो बिफोर वी स्टार्ट, सो अब मेरे बारे में कुछ बता दो. लाइक टुडे आई एम वेयरिंग दिस पिंक, सो हाउ लकी टुडे आई एम और नॉट? इज इट फेवरेबल?
Well, you're very lucky we are having a session today, I must say that. Okay, jokes apart, वेरी नॉर्मल जनरल इंफॉर्मेशन है. मैं डे वाइज आपको बताती हूँ जो सबको अवेयर. इट्स समथिंग विच इज जेनरिक. कलर्स की अगर हम अपनी टेंडेंसीज देखते हैं तो मंडेज को वाइट फेवरेबल होता है, ट्यूसडेज को रेड एंड पिंक्स की फैमिली जनरली पहनी जाती है, वेंसडेज हम ग्रीन्स को प्रेफर करते हैं, थर्सडे इज अ डे ऑफ येलो. यू कैन सी माई बैकग्राउंड. I'm a person who believes in a lot of vibrancy. So our Thursday hai. Thursday means yellow, orange family. Friday again means pinks and whites. Saturday, blues and blacks. And Sunday again, oranges and pinks. So yes, next time in next session you can wear pink. Considering Thursday, I would say lucky color is family of, lemons and oranges and yellows. So I really believe in a lot of color therapy. कलर्स हमारी नेगेटिविटी और पॉजिटिविटी को बहुत इम्पैक्ट करते हैं. So I'm going to discuss all the planets today.
Perfect. So is it dependent on somewhere on your birth numbers or your destiny numbers?
Yes. So how will we calculate? आप लोगों की जो डेट ऑफ बर्थ है, जिस डेट पे आप बॉर्न हुए हैं, आप वो नंबर लीजिएगा और आप अपनी पूरी डेट को कैलकुलेट कीजिएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यस, फॉर एग्जाम्पल 4th October 84. तो आप 4 + 1 + 0 + 1 + 9 + 8 + 4 जब पूरा आप कैलकुलेट करते हैं तो बर्थ नंबर आता है, जो इस केस में आता है 9. तो नंबर 4 और नंबर 9 आप दोनों की फेवरेबल्स और अनफेवरेबल्स को कंसिडर कीजिएगा.
So both ways it should go, not only like birth date.
No, it goes hand in hand because हर चीज की वाइब्रेशन होती है. बर्थ नंबर और डेस्टिनी नंबर इक्वली इंपॉर्टेंस प्ले करता है.
So like on the day of when I am born, so सबका like same होगा?
No, everybody is not given the same name. So the name initials are also that even twins don't have same destiny. They are born just few minutes apart because we give them a different name. So the name changes their destiny number, their vibrations change. So they are known by that name. They have a different identity altogether. So no, there are lakhs and crores of people born on a particular date, but they don't have a similar destiny. So we can discuss about what's favorable and not favorable. Unlucky wala word mein kahin be, I'm a very optimist person. I don't believe in the word unlucky. I really feel we all are blessed in our own different ways. So shall we start about number 1?
Yes.
Okay. So anybody who is born on number 1, 10th, 19th and 28th of the particular month and the destiny number comes to 1. So unka jo total, this number cannot go wrong. Your lucky number would be the total. As in, if you're born on 1st, आपकी सारी lucky dates होंगी 1st, 1, 19, 10, 28 and ये जो 1 number होता है ये 3 से बहुत compatible होता है. So anything which has a total of 3, 12, 21, 30, it's very compatible. So आप कोई भी काम शुरू करना चाहें, कोई new event हो, कोई, we want to see the lucky dates, so we can consider number 1 plus 3 ka total for the planet Sun. And when I want to talk about what to avoid, they can avoid a total of 4 because in my understanding, number 4 is Mars. So 1 and 4, they don't get along that well. So that's not too favorable for them.
Okay.
Yes. And shall I talk about the colors as well? Again, number 1 is Surya ka number. So the color is yellow, orange, gold, and black or red ka jo combination hai, inko thodi negativity dega. So let us refrain from that. Ab kam se kam isko absorb कीजिए, कम से कम इसको पहनिए. Though we all love black, but in my study of 18 years, I've realized black is one color जो सिर्फ हमें नजर से बचाता है. कहते हैं ना काला टीका हमें नजर से बचाता है. So let's just wear it in a little quantity. अगर हम ब्लैक को अब्जॉर्ब कर लेते हैं, पहन लेते हैं, तो हम सबकी नेगेटिविटी अपनी बॉडी में अब्जॉर्ब करते हैं. आप देखिएगा डिप्रेशन हो जाता है या काम बिगड़ जाते हैं. So again, it's very generic, but people of number 1, again, birth number and destiny number should avoid wearing black and red as much as possible. इनके lucky days मैं कहूँगी हैं Sunday, Thursday and Friday. इनके लकी इनिशियल्स हैं. अगर आप इनके नाम रखना चाहते हैं या कोई काम खोलना चाहते हैं तो दे कैन कीप देयर नेम्स विद A, J, C and L. अगेन इसका भी एक लॉजिक है, इसकी भी साइंस है. सारे अल्फाबेट्स के नंबर्स होते हैं. A stands for 1 से लेकर B stands for 2, C stands for 3, ऐसे करके I तक हम उसको 9 नंबर तक कैलकुलेट करते हैं. सो सिमिलरली हमने इफ वी कैलकुलेट द वाइब्रेशंस, A, J, C and L are lucky for number 1. जब हम कार्स लेंगे, मोबाइल नंबर लेंगे, मोबाइल में तो आप सारे डिजिट्स को ऐड कर सकते हैं. जब हम गाड़ी लेंगे, क्योंकि मुझे ये बहुत क्वेश्चन आता है वेरी प्रॉम्प्टली दैट what number is favorable for us in a car. So car is a लोहा is a any kind of vehicle में iron use होता है. So we will avoid a total of 8 for people who are born on these date of births. Yes.
But actually, if you go into deep, like, is it? Don't you think so? We should like curtail ourselves from getting into the numbers so much, like phone numbers and car number.
But
Like,
you know what? बहुत लोगों का काम फोन पे डिपेंडेंट है. आप समझिए, आजकल की एरा में हमारा फोन नंबर हमारा ऑफिस बन जाता है. A lot of people don't go physically, they just connect over the phone. So they need to see that हमारे काम रुक रहे हैं, डिले हो रहे हैं. So that, you know, they are actually हर टाइप के लोग होते हैं. Some people really have a lot of faith in this, and some people feel that, okay, let's take things as it comes. So I'm taking all the categories of people here. So, but ये questions मेरे पे बहुत ज़्यादा आते हैं, इसलिए I thought this is the best platform to discuss it in generic.
Yeah, of course.
Yes, yes.
So
favorable months भी बता देती हूँ. January, March, October and December. इनके काम नहीं रुकेंगे. They will feel very positive, happy, and they will spread happiness. I think अगर हम खुश नहीं हैं तो हम खुशी दे भी नहीं सकते. So it's very important to be positive and happy from within.
Correct. So are we going to next number now?
Yes. So number 2, हमारा creative, calm, admirable and dedicated number. So anybody who is born on 2nd, 11th, 20th, 29th, again, इनकी lucky dates भी यही dates होती हैं, 2nd, 11th, 29th, 20th, and they're very compatible with Venus. Number 6. तो 6, 24 and 15th इनकी lucky dates में लिया जा सकता है. Lucky colors इनके हैं green, yellow and grey. Silver, because इनके mostly health concerns life में आते हैं. So to have a consistent health, let them adopt these colors. Lucky initials are B, K and T. Lucky months are February and November. थोड़ी सी हेल्थ इनकी लो रहती है बिकॉज 15 दिन हमारा मून ऊपर जाता है, 15 दिन नीचे आता है. सो थोड़े से मूडी और टेम्परामेंटल रहते हैं. सो दे नीड अ लॉट ऑफ पॉजिटिविटी. So again, I would suggest them, please, people born on this date, avoid black and maroon.
So number 2, please take care of it. Avoid black and maroons.
Yes.
So now we are going to number 3.
हाँ जी, number 3 Jupiter का planet है. इनको professional growth बहुत matter करती है. They need identity of their own. For again, they are very compatible with number 1. So whosoever is born on Jupiter, that is number 3, 12th, 21st and 30th of any month, इनके साथ सूर्य बहुत compatible होता है. तो again, 1st, 10th, 19th and 28th are their total favorable dates. And इनको pinks and reds के shades पहनने चाहिए for professional stability. They can again avoid dark blue and brown. Black पहन सकते हैं but except Saturdays. इनके lucky days हैं Thursdays and Sundays. इनके lucky initials हैं C, G, L, S and J. And January, March, October, December will be excellent months for them.
Perfect. So just a question just came to my mind. Saturday को black पहनना चाहिए या नहीं पहनना चाहिए?
I'll come up to it जब हम Saturn को discuss करेंगे.
Okay.
हम 8 नंबर पे आएंगे तो हम Saturn को discuss करेंगे. कि black को avoid कौन-कौन कर सकता है और black को कौन पहन सकता है. Given a choice, we all look spectacular and gorgeous in this black color.
Agreed.
We look trim. It's a color of all the parties and themes and
true. Such a powerful color it's supposed to be.
It is a powerful color, but again हम अपनी mythology के हिसाब से चले अगर तो काले रंग को हम शुभ नहीं मानते हैं. हमारी पूजाओं में काला रंग नहीं पहना चाहता है और वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज में उनके लिए ब्लैक सेलिब्रेशन का कलर नहीं होता है.
Okay, नहीं होता.
Totally नहीं होता है.
Okay.
So it is contradictory.
Yeah.
And so two colors, you know, हमारे black हमारे लिए कुछ और significance रखता है. And I would like to say, considering our viewership, हम अपनी हिंदू mythology को
Of
थोड़ा
course.
consider करके.
So it depends on the culture to culture, I think.
Absolutely, totally, and please respecting all the cultures. But I would still say, personally, in my opinion, black सिर्फ हमें negativity से दूर रखता है. तो थोड़ा सा टीका, काला रंग, आप थोड़ी इस क्वांटिटी में उसको निगेट कीजिए. अगर ब्लैक पहनना है तो वाइट के साथ, बेज के साथ, ताकि उसकी वाइब्स निगेट हो जाए. अगर हमें किसी टाइप की पॉजिटिविटी नहीं दे रहा ये रंग, तो हमें नेगेटिविटी भी नहीं देगा.
Correct.
So people can change their wardrobes. So pick up any black with a beige or a white and go on for your work.
Perfect. I think girls, please listen to her.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now we are on the next number.
Yes.
That is
So number 4.
Yeah.
Is a number 4. हमारे it's a 4th position पे जो planet होता है वो Mars होता है हमारी numerology में. And ये बहुत hot planet होता है, very commanding and demanding planet. तो इसको red colors attract करते हैं. Red, orange, purple. These are the colors which will be very favorable for them. They totally need to avoid blues. And they can also go for neutral shades to stabilize their professional lives. Lucky, इनकी थोड़ी personal life question mark में होती है, थोड़ी सी personal instability आती है, so they can go for lighter shades to stabilize it. And lucky days would be Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturdays. Initials would be D, M, and G, along with V. V is also favorable. Favorable months are March, April, September, and October. एंड जहां भी टोटल आता है 4 का और 1 का, ये इनकी लकी डेट्स हो जाते हैं. टोटल ऑफ 4 एंड टोटल ऑफ 1 इज देयर लकी डेट्स. सो अगेन 4, 13th, 22nd, 31st, and 1, 10, 19, 28. These are their lucky dates.
Okay. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah, I am number 4. So now, like, number 4 plus my destiny number, both are like counted.
Yes, yes. So according to number 4, you are wearing the right color.
Yeah.
So you didn't go wrong with it, actually.
Okay.
All right.
So we'll take care of next time.
Yes.
So now we have number 5.
Number 5, it belongs to Mercury. Dreamy people, extreme people. They are blessed with a lot of talents. So they are actually, once told, they'll do it. They are very focused. So any combination of 5 and 9 helps them to stabilize their life. Especially इनको identity issues बहुत आते हैं. They want to be somebody. They want to be known. So if you really want to be known, wear a lot of greens, lot of grays. You get ultimate success. Health थोड़ी इनकी low side पे होती है, इसलिए they should wear light colors. Dark colors should be avoided. All category dark colors. So I think इनको अपना wardrobe बिल्कुल light shades में कर लेना चाहिए, because they're very peace minded and cool people basically. And lucky days are Wednesdays and Sundays. Initials would be N, E, X, and B. Favorable months are May, November, and December. And they should avoid having a new work on Saturday. Saturday को कोई नया काम ना शुरू करें.
Number 5.
हाँ जी.
So next is our number 6.
हाँ जी. Carefree life, creative, Venus, शुक्र का नंबर है. सब कुछ इनको beautiful, beauty से connected अच्छा लगता है. And they like to be dressed very nicely. So इनके जो colors हैं, all red and shades of red हैं. They can go for brighter shades. Blue, dark green, dark blue are their colors. They should avoid white and yellow, because इनकी energy down जा सकती है. और इनके साथ जुपिटर बहुत कंपैटिबल है, तो इनकी लकी डेट्स हो जाती हैं 6, 15th, 24th, 3rd, 12th, 21 and 30th, जहां भी जुपिटर और वीनस का कॉम्बिनेशन आता है. इनके फेवरेबल इनिशियल्स हैं F, O, B and U. Favorable months June and January. and they should avoid any arguments with anybody on Tuesdays and Saturdays. It will backfire. So Tuesdays and Saturdays,
शांत रहिए. Number 6.
शांत रहिए, मस्त रहिए, बिल्कुल किसी के साथ आर्ग्यूमेंट और क्रिटिसाइज करने की जरूरत नहीं है.
Correct.
अपने अपने पे ध्यान दीजिए इन डेज पे.
हाँ, specifically.
हाँ जी.
So we have now number 7.
Yes, number 7, creative, spiritual, lucky, blessed. The other day, jab we were having session with my mother, they
Yeah.
were all number sevens. They were all number sevens. I
Correct.
would just like to say that probably this year, number 7 is searching for their path, searching for there's a soul search, you know. They always feel मुझे कोई समझता नहीं है. They are loners. They are people who will try to connect with everybody on their level, but उनको reciprocation नहीं मिलता है. Irrespective of that, they are born doers. They are born givers. थोड़ा सा overthinking को छोड़ना पड़ेगा. So the lucky colors would be light green, yellow, light blue, light pink, and white. So इनका
All
wardrobe
lights.
light से, yeah, all lights. Again, no dark shades. And इनका total 1 के साथ बहुत compatible होता है. So anybody who's born on 7th, 16th, 25th, ये lucky dates होती हैं. Or 1st, 10th, 19th, and 28th, this will also be favorable for them. इनके फेवरेबल डेज होते हैं थर्सडेज एंड संडेज. थोड़े भक्ति में ज़्यादा जाते हैं, ये सुप्रीम पावर को बिलीव करते हैं. सो दीज आर द डेट्स व्हिच विल काम देम डाउन. एंड इनिशियल्स, लकी इनिशियल्स वुड बी G, P, and Y. Favorable months would be January, July, and October. And रिलेशनशिप का बहुत स्ट्रेस लेते हैं, तो ट्यूसडेज को रिलेशनशिप्स विल नॉट बी एट पार. थोड़ा सा डिप्रेस हो सकते हैं, किसी की बात हर्ट कर सकते हैं, दिल पे लगा सकते हैं, बिकॉज दे टेंड टू ओवरथिंक. सो गो इजी ऑन ट्यूसडेज.
So number 7, please take care of all these things. Number 7 की बहुत सारे हमने last time पढ़े थे. So please listen to her and take care of it. All lights. Yeah.
बिल्कुल. नंबर 7 का एनर्जी लेवल ऊपर आना बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि ये पिलर्स होते हैं अपनी फैमिली के लिए. तो इनको लगता है वाई मी, मेरे साथ ही ये सब कुछ हो रहा है. यू नो, दे फील टू स्ट्रेस्ड. बट stop overthinking. I can just say this because you are the source of positivity. So please हर चीज दिल पे लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है. Let's go easy in life. Let's love us. Let's pamper us a bit.
I think that's applicable for all.
Absolutely. नहीं, कई नंबर्स को जरूरत नहीं होती. कुछ नंबर्स को जरूरत नहीं है किसी की पैम्परिंग की, बट इस नंबर को बहुत जरूरत है.
So we have now number 8.
हाँ जी. So number 8, now coming to Saturn, शनि के साथ एसोसिएट होता है instability. They are totally they want to attain happiness, success, growth. This is their life's agenda. They want to explore everything and they will reach their destination. But टॉप पे जाके ये अपना फोकस अपने आप ही चेंज कर देते हैं, जी रूट कर देते हैं. तो इस नंबर के साथ कंपैटिबल होता है जुपिटर. सो एनीबॉडी हु इज बोर्न ऑन 8th, 17th, 26th, they will be very much favorable with number 3, which is 21, 3rd, 12th and 30th. इनको पूरा उनके साथ सपोर्ट मिलेगा और ये लकी डेट्स होती हैं इनकी. एंड इनके कलर्स होते हैं येलो, डार्क ग्रीन, डार्क ब्लू. इनकी लाइफ में ऑब्स्टिकल्स और चेंजेस बहुत आते हैं. ओनली वन थिंग कांस्टेंट इन देयर लाइफ इज चेंज, एंड दे शुड बी एब्सोल्युटली ओपन टू इट, because every change I feel is a positive change in our life. And to avoid those obstacles, they should avoid black color. Coming up to the point जहाँ आपने मुझसे पूछा कि ब्लैक हमें पहनना चाहिए कि अवॉइड करना चाहिए. सैटर्न जिनका भी नंबर 8 है, वो प्लीज ब्लैक कलर को अवॉइड कीजिए. मैंने आपको एक सोल्यूशन दिया है, आप कैसे पहन सकते हैं. निगेट कीजिए. ब्लैक कलर आपको अगर पॉजिटिविटी नहीं दे रहा तो नेगेटिविटी भी नहीं देगा. डोंट कंबाइन इट विद अ रेड. रेड बहुत एग्रीवेटेड
powerful color.
Yes, so especially for them, so don't combine it with the red color. And lucky days would be Monday, Saturdays and Fridays. Fridays, they are at their best. They feel Friday has come, oh God, we are like at peace, because they change their moods a lot and they love life, you know. And lucky months would be March and October. Even December is very good for them. They can avoid Tuesdays and alphabet H. हर्ष नाम से थोड़ी चीजें अवॉइड कर सकते हैं, वो इतना फेवरेबल नहीं रहेगा इनके लिए.
Correct. So now we have number 9.
Top of the chart, number 9. They want a lot of materialistic benefits because it's not about money, it's about power for them. You know, so when they do something, it's not just generation of materialistic things or paise or financial gains. They feel very, you know, this feel इसमें बहुत source of शक्ति है. You know, I am powerful and I am known and I am well known. So इनके लिए भी 9 और 1 इनका compatible planet होता है 1. So total of 9 and 1 are the lucky dates. So anybody who is born on 9th, 18th, 27th, along with 1, 10, 19, 28, these are their lucky dates. Inky colors, all dark colors will be very favorable. Dark red, dark blue, dark green, because that will give a lot of financial gains. They can avoid lighter shades because inki energy drip ho jati hai.
Okay.
Their lucky initials are I and R, and favorable days would be Friday, Wednesday, Saturday, Sunday. September and July would be very favorable, and they can avoid Tuesdays.
Okay. So are we done with the numbers now?
Yes. So these are the numbers which we have discussed. I hope all this positivity helps us in the long way.
Correct. So numbers, please take care of your lucky colors, numbers, their months, days. So all we have now. So it's all about numbers. I think it's all around us. Yes. So basically, it's a science, of course.
Yes.
So now we have some viewers' questions. They are waiting for us since long, I believe, for their questions. Sure. So let's start with the. This is Mrs. Jaswinder Kaur Chawla, 4/8/1961, and she is asking, when will I get my house?
What name did you say? Jaswinder ji?
Jaswinder Kaur.
Jaswinder ji, you're talking about your house?
Yes, she's talking about.
I see the asset building after 2021 March. If you talk about your assets, which means ghar, so 2021 March onwards, I can see this getting accomplished.
Perfect. So, Jaswinder ji, please take care after 2021.
Things are in pipeline. अभी तक चीजें आई नहीं है हाथ में, delay होता जा रहा है. But 2021 definitely will sort it out, and especially March, so it's hardly any time there. काम हो जाए.
We have another one, which is Mr. Ankit, and 11th May 1984.
11th
and he is asking about his marriage and like settlement.
Okay. Marriage and settlement, Ankit ji, it comes in 2023. Thode relationship issues is a combination of 2 and 5 and 3. So please don't rush into it. We don't want any regrets. You will be in a relationship, but I only see marriage from 2022 May till 2023 July. So please, let's just wait for a bit. Though I see you in a relationship for sure.
Great. So now we have Damin Arora, 5th March 1994, 6:37, and he's also asking about marriage.
Okay, so Damini Arora, is it? 5th March 94. Yes, so she's a combination of 5, 3, and 4, and 27th year has just begun. I mean, जैसे 27th year की वेटेज आएगी, गुरु आ जाएगा. So March 2021 से any time, maybe within a day, she'll be married. So we are waiting for the 27th year vibrations to come and Guru to come in power.
Perfect.
Yes.
So we have Anushri, 7 December 1987.
Okay.
And she's asking about the career.
Okay, so 7 December 1987, your combination of 7, 6, and 8. I see a dual nature of work, teaching, and some weighted degree. From 16th November 2020, I see your career stability. Right now, there is confusion, but most probably you'll get into something with training and teaching and using your verbal skills.
There's Miss Priyanka. I think she's asking for a husband, which is 12 to 1978. She's asking about the financial condition of her husband. For
Yes,
her.
yes, right now, definitely there's a little stress related to finances, especially it started from 2019. I see it getting settled by October 2020. First change happens, and then by Jan 21, the next change happens. I hope he is not into some kind of partnership. So, work related stability comes in tranches, October and January.
There's again a repeated question from Miss Tani. She says, please tell me how to calculate my destiny number.
All right, sure. So any number which is, for example, date of birth is 1st July 2020. For example, a child is just born. So we will total it. Your first number is birth number, which is number 1. You're born on 1st. And then we will add everything up. 1 plus 7, that is July ka 7, plus 2020. This is the year weightage. So you add up 1 plus 7 plus 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 0. So when you total everything up, it comes to 4 and 7, 12, number 3. So number 3 would be the total destiny number. So this is how you calculate.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now we have Mr. Dhanya Govinda Krishnan, which is 2nd August 1979, 12:16 p.m. He wants to know about his health this year.
All right. So 2nd August 1979, the destiny number is number 9 with moon, which is depleted right now. So I see issues in the stomach and the lower portion, and back issues are there. 4th October 2020, health will be stable. Please, I have mentioned what to do, what not to do. No blacks and no negativity for you, Mr. Dhanya, because it will directly impact your health. So avoid whatever you can because health is your priority. Post October, I see stability in your health.
So, Mr. Please take care of your health. It's important till
Yes.
October. So there's one more female, Anshu Mehrotra, 5th December 1969. She wants to know about the business and which is going down right now.
All right. So Anshuji's total of 5th, number 5 and 6, along with Jupiter. 8th November 2020 onwards, we see some change and respite in work. No partnerships at all. But 2021 will be best year because that will be Mercury year. Number 5 है तो वो एक अलग level पे success देगा. So she'll get a big breakthrough in her career for sure. She'll achieve her goals.
Anshu, so you will definitely, and your year is 2021.
2021, just hold on and let's start working towards it.
Perfect. So we have Miss Pooja Devan.
Okay.
And 25th January, 7:45 and 1977.
Okay.
And she hasn't mentioned anything specific.
Okay, so it gets a little difficult when I don't get specific questions, but
yeah, until another 3 months, how would she be like? You can.
I can just say that some new line of work will be accomplished after 2021 birthday, and very good time professionally. Professionally, very good time. Personally, थोड़ा सा health का issue मुझे दिख रहा है. But again, since there's no specific question, I can just say, please take care of your mental health. Stop overthinking because she's also a number 7 and all 7s. So professional acclaim comes post birthday for sure.
So we have Miss Monica Gupta,
Okay.
and she is 13/1/1982. Okay. So she says, I want to buy a house in Delhi. So it's in a pipeline, don't know when.
All right. So she'll definitely own a property from 2022. 2022 February onwards. Those things will start shaping up from 2021 October. But I do seek some kind of rental income and some kind of money generation from land. So इनके डेस्टिनी में लैंड से सम काइंड ऑफ इनकम जनरेशन दिख रहा है बट अगर इनका पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन है ओन प्रॉपर्टी का सो दैट इज फ्रॉम 2021 अक्टूबर ऑनवर्ड्स 2022 में डेफिनेटली अपना घर होगा ही होगा.
So there's one Hina Sharma, 11th May 1989, 3:40 a.m. and she wants to know about her married life.
Okay, Hina ji, 11th, you're a combination of Moon, Mercury and Venus. Sorry, Ketu. Number 2, 5 and 7. You're highly misunderstood. Please, again, stop taking things too hot. Marital happiness comes from 21 March. All I can say is that your verbal conduct is misunderstood. The tone is misunderstood because you tend to express it in extreme manner. I do see marital stability. थोड़ा सा time दीजिए 2021 March से stability आ जाएगी. Try and be very happy.
So we have Sandhya Sharma, 7th October 2015. Okay. She's saying, please tell me any special thing you see in next 1 year happening with me.
Okay, I think she's a quite young child. It's 5 years old.
Yeah.
So I see a location change and a very blessed child. Location change दिख रहा है मुझे, especially October 21 से. So a lot of changes this child will bring in parents' life. Positive changes. Very lucky and blessed.
God bless you. There's Suman Pandey, and she is again for her daughter, which is 14th July 2001, and she wants to know about the profession, which profession she should go in.
All right, very artistic. She's a combination of 5 and 6 and 7. So 5, 6, 7. It's all artistic planets. So she'll get into something creative in creative line, something into designing, something related to architecture. So jo bhi sundar cheez hai, creative hai, she'll be pursuing her passion towards this stream. And she'll be very successful, kind of celebrity.
Then we have Parul Prashar. Again, she's asking for his son, about his life. 16th May 2011.
Okay, so 16th May 2011. Again, a combination of 7, 5, and 7. He's a deep thinker, little emotional child. He needs a lot of love. Please, I see lower health, lower body going in with some issues like stomach related or nerve related. So Parulji, please give him a lot of attention. He needs that warmth. 2021 June onwards, I see him getting stabilized health-wise.
Then we have Miss Shweta Sharma, 7/11/2015. And she wants to know again about something about her future, anything you see.
Shweta ji, I see a lot of things. You have to be specific exactly. But I think आज मैंने 7 number का काफी कुछ cover किया. You're also a combination of 7, 2, and 8. So please follow these things. If anything specific, I would love to answer it. I'm looking at a lot of things which I cannot share at this platform.
Yeah, please guys, you can take a personalized sessions with her if required, because such few things she cannot mention it on the public platform. Yes. So we have one Mr. Kavaljeet, and he's 13 January 1960. Time is 4:20 p.m. He wants to know about his elder son, about his life.
But for that, I would need elder son's date of birth. Is this the date of birth?
No, this is not. It's his date of birth.
So please send me the date of birth of the related person. I can.
We have mentioned 30th November 1982.
30th November 1982. Yes, career is little unstable. Is it career related issue?
Yes.
All right. So he'll go near the water sometime very soon. And I see a change of work. Job will not sustain for long. I see a change from February 2021.
Okay.
Stability. Yes.
2021. Okay.
February.
February 2020.
Yes. Okay. Please don't stress because ये number stress वाले नहीं हैं, ये कर जाते हैं, ये आगे निकल जाते हैं. जुपिटर स्ट्रांग है, ये आगे निकल जाएगा, अपनी जगह बना लेगा.
Perfect. So now we have a few more. We have got. There's actually queue of messages coming in.
Sure, I would love to answer it, but
So yeah.
again, very specific things, because it gets very difficult to calculate the whole point.
Exactly. So quickly, I know I'm going a little slow. Okay.
Yeah,
So
sure.
okay. So there's Gaurav Arora,
Hmm.
and he wants to know about Vidit Arora, 9/12/2004 career.
Okay. So Vidit is little confused right now, very passionate about, again, some skills like music, some kind of dance, some kind of Vani. Music can be one of his forte. He will do his own work, but will have a weighted degree. I think 2022 will set another level of acclaim in his life. I see him getting into some kind of accounts work, accountancy related studies as well.
Some I don't know what name. It says CHAI. I don't know. 22/7/1989. And she says, want to know about my career. I'm an interior designer and a fashion, beauty, and a lifestyle influencer.
All right. So again, you're a combination of Mars and Jupiter. You will get into PR work. Again, as you mentioned, you're doing everything related to people. You'll be very, very successful post your birthday is round the corner. So I think you can just start getting the kind of acclaim you're looking at from 16th of August. And just that, no partnerships, be a self professional, and थोड़ा सा टेम्पो कंट्रोल करना पड़ेगा to get more business and more work.
Okay. So we have Pallavi Dhingra, 26th November 1982. How does my job look like? Any issues or will I be fine?
Yes, number 8, combination of 8 and moon job definitely can give you some kind of allegations. Past 3-4 months were quite stressful, but you will sustain the job. You will definitely sustain the job, Pallavi ji. Saturn thoda weak hai. It will come in power after 8th of October. Again, please गुस्से को control कीजिए. No politics. Try to maintain a low profile, and I don't see your job getting anywhere. Issues can come, but you will sustain it.
Okay. So we have Namrata Kalia, 1/11/1982. My career.
नम्रता जी, ट्रेनिंग टीचिंग में आ जाइए. अभी तक नहीं आए हैं तो दो काम करेंगे आप. You'll do two works simultaneously. Your combination of 1 and 5. So something again related to your verbal skills and training दे सकते हैं, या बच्चों के related किसी काम में आ सकते हैं, या events organize कर सकते हैं. Any such profiles
So,
will click.
there's one more. Taran Preet, date of birth is 5/9/1990. He wants to know about his business.
Okay, so business, I see new developments coming from 2021, 4th of January. It will be on another level. I see new developments, new things. वो जो भी आप अभी कर रहे हो उसमें एक change आने वाला है. And January के बाद there is no looking back for you.
So Taran, I think you are sorted. You just have to wait for a few months.
Yeah.
So
I'm sure he started working towards it.
I'm sure. Then there is Kiran Sethi, Kiran 18/7/67. Finance issues.
All right, Kiranji, your combination of 9, 4, and 7. Yes, 2016 onwards, things were not too stable enough, but 2020, October 8th, we see a breakthrough in your professional life. I see a diversification of new work coming. Get into trading, any kind of trading, any kind of export import, any kind of, where you are the middle person. Um, some commission based work, it will be very profitable for you. It will definitely be sorted post 2020, 8th October.
So we have one Ankit Khurana, He wants to ask about his son, and his son's is 27th September 2015. Son's health is little
Yes,
concerned.
son's health is little weak. Definitely is a combination of 9, 9, and 8. So maybe eyes, related to eyes, or something related to limbs and lower portion can be low. But nothing to worry, nothing to be so scared of or be negative. He'll be fine after this birthday. So Ankit ji, give him the positive colors which we have just discussed. What name did you say about the child? What is the name?
Child name is not mentioned, but I think it's his dad name.
So that's okay.
He
Maybe
never
you need the name, change name or something. You can just go through the session and see what's favorable for him. So health-wise, stability comes after his birthday.
Then we have Sheetal Tandon, 18/5/1943. Health for my father-in-law.
18/5/1943. Yes,
Hmm.
stomach related and lower portion is definitely can be seen some kind of surgery. If it would have happened, I definitely see little health concerns, but nothing fatal, nothing to worry in that way. You know what I'm trying to hint at. But definitely he needs a lot of थोड़ा पाठ करें इनके लिए ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय का and after 13th of October, he'll be stable.
I think we are like a lot of done, but we are running out of time now. It's
Yes,
already
so
5.
whosoever, please, it's a request. It's very difficult to calculate all the stars and numbers.
I
And
know of the spot, yes.
yes, so please, you can
Acha, okay.
send it across.
The
And
one more is a very important thing. Some
definitely,
Rita Dugal has a message, 1955. She wants to know about her health.
okay. Health is very good. Okay, so viewers, this is my mother, 1955. She'll be very good and very positive. Please concentrate on your, do a lot of jap and mantras. And thank you, mom, for such a motivational question. You'll be fine. Don't worry. You
This is
have the
so sweet of her.
positivity of and love of everybody. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
she's watching you all the time.
I'm sure. I'm sure. I'm sure. Thank you so
Yeah,
much. Shiny, I'm just going to suggest something to all our viewers since I'm on this platform.
sure.
Uh, this is a guideline, numerology, astrology, and all the sciences. It just creates a lot of positivity. ये हमें एक रास्ता दिखाते हैं. अभी हम सब एक टनल से गुजर रहे हैं जिसमें किसी को डार्कनेस दिख रही है, किसी को कोई वो टनल को एंजॉय कर रहा है, किसी को somebody can feel the warmth, somebody can see the ray of hope. So we all are right now going through a very, very, very dark situation. I just want to just share this that guys, please get some kind of positivity from any means, be it part, be it colors, be it any kind of healing, be it any kind of positive aura around you. We have to sustain and cross this tunnel with full faith and positivity and energy because this is not the end. This is just a bend. And इस रात के बाद सुबह बहुत हसीन होगी. So signing off on a very positive note. I'm sure all our viewers will understand that all these things give us a lot of ray of hope and positivity around us.
Around us.
So,
Agreed.
which is mandatory. Otherwise, these predictions, these guidelines, these topics, discussions are of no use. We have to believe in us and we all will sustain this tough times for sure with a belief.
Agreed. Agreed. Thank you, Sakshi. Thank you so much for our session.
Totally.
And
My
it's
pleasure.
an honor to have you on this platform. So
Totally.
actually,
Totally. Thank you so much.
2020 actually एक pandemic साल के लिए definitely जाना जाएगा. But still I can tell you, ये साल किसी ना किसी के लिए तो अच्छा होगा, कुछ favorable होगा.
एब्सोल्युटली जी, एब्सोल्युटली दिस ईयर जैसे बहुत लोगों के बिजनेसेस बंद हुए उसी तरह बहुत लोगों के काम शुरू हुए. जहां जॉब्स कट शॉर्ट हुई, हेड काउंट्स कम हुए, वहीं पे एम्प्लॉयर्स ने दूसरी जगह पे अपॉइंटमेंट्स शुरू करी. ग्रोसरी, हर घर में सैनिटाइजर्स एंड ऑल दीज पीपी किट्स, द मेडिकल फ्रेटर्निटी, डॉक्टर्स. हम इस लाइन को देखा जाए तो पीपल लाइक अस, आई मीन यू अंडरस्टैंड, अगर एक जगह पे बहुत ज्यादा अंधेरा है तो उसके बाद रोशनी भी है. So
बिल्कुल.
this year definitely is a challenging year, but to each his own. So let us not get discouraged. इस रात के बाद again I'm saying सुबह बहुत हसीन होगी. This is not the end of our lives. There is always a silver lining to this cloud. Let's be
Beautiful
positive.
message. It's a beautiful message. Please, guys, don't be disheartened or think you are lucky, unlucky. Please, everything will be fine. So,
बहुत कहा जाता है शाइनी जी, हम एक बोट में जा रहे हैं या एक शिप में बैठे हैं. इस टाइम हम सभी सेल थ्रू कर रहे हैं सेम चीज से. They say a ship doesn't sink because of the water around it. A ship sinks जब पानी उसके अंदर आ जाता है. So let us not get affected with the negativity and the negative aura around us. Let us stay positive and we will definitely sail through. मेरा पूरा विश्वास है to each and everyone out there. We will make it.
Be positive and be happy. And yes, don't forget to join us for our weekly Facebook live sessions. Let's talk. We will be talking about reworking on our investments during COVID-19 with our experts. So tune in and stay tuned with us, Ketchup Moms Live.
Yes.
Thank you, Sakshi. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having me. It's a pleasure. Thank you so much.
Thank you.